Coach Yeng Guiao and our best player of the game, Adrian Loken. Coach Yeng, the Elasto Painters almost burned a 23-point lead in the second quarter. How did you like how the guys came out to play during the second half?
Well, my primary concern at the beginning was how sharp are the guys going to be coming off almost a 3-week break. This is our first game in the new year. So medyo concerned ako kung paano nila lalaroin yung first game namin. We've had good practices but iba pa rin pag makita mo dun sa laro. So, we had a good first quarter actually. So, maganda yung start namin. But we had a really bad second quarter. That's when we lost the 23-point lead. But what's good about it is it's a game of runs, and we were able to get enough runs for ourselves to win the game. The last time na nakalaban namin tong Blackwater, tinampakan nila kami. So that was additional motivation for us in our preparation for this game. Alam namin may capacity sila to play really well. We're also trying to ride on our winning run. Sa amin ang importante makarating ng next round. Ang tingin namin 7 wins will assure you of a slot in the playoffs in the next round. So we have 5 wins now. We're just looking to play and win another one. Get as close to 7 as we can, as early as we can. So yun lang ang iniisip namin.
Thank you, Coach Yeng.